So they've already got the lines on the footpath. So let's have a look up the road a bit. So as we spoke last time, they're caged off the Bankstown safe car park. And now, as I come and approach today, they've got these little lines on the footpath that can only be in relation to development of the car park. And also, as I said last time, this is where the hospital will be going. You're alright, no rush. So let's have a look to see how far up the hospital. Yeah, they've got lines on this side of the footpath as well. Anyone watching, I would love to know what these lines and these numbers mean. Okay, by the looks of it, they're going all the way up the footpath alongside the old Bankstown tape, which is now closed, preparing for development. So I assume that's what these lines are meaning. Numbers as well. So maybe these lines mean where they're going to put like over a walkway on the footpath when construction does start. So yes, it does go all the way up. This lady's too busy on the phone. So as you can see, Bankstown tape does take up quite a considerable amount of space on Chapel Road in Bankstown. As you head towards the highway, East Street on the other side there, and the lines and that is still continuing. They weren't there this morning. Maybe they mean surveying lines. And that's it. I'll keep you posted. Thank you for watching, and as always, please comment, like and share, and if the subscribe will be great. Thanks.